This video is trying to talk about the issues I'm having with my Anker, which is right over here. The HDMI hubs are not working. So as you can see, my keyboard and mouse are connected, which they all are working. And so is the Ethernet cable that is connected. I take my HDMI cable, I can plug it in here, and you can see that the screen does actually work. If I unplug it from here and plug it into the HDMI, you can see that that does not work. You can see the same thing. Second screen. Plugs into the computer. Second screen works. Same screen. Plugged into the HDMI cable. Does not work. Thank you.